that's all you get for this month. If you are a free Patreon subscribers, that's the whole tease on how this and this all works and how this panel works. If you'd like to be a free member, just sign up to my Patreon page, and that should be coming on down here, right down below. It'll tell you how to sign up for it. And if you've already signed up as a free member, we're going to go into this part right here, teaching you how to make this sense with this. And it's not that hard. Once I teach you how this schematic fits in with this electrical panel, you're going to understand the 737 so much more easier, and it won't be a problem when you have any issues with this panel. When you get any of these lights come up, you'll know exactly how it fits in with the help of this schematic. So join today, and remember, we're building pilots one switch at a time.